Hello and welcome back to the Dower Diaries. If you're new, I'm Jennifer. Corey and I are so grateful to have you all here with us today on our channel. Although fall is right around the corner, I'm not quite ready to embrace the seasonal decor. I'm not ready to bring all those pumpkins and things out quite yet. I did go to the stores, and I know that the seasonal decor has been coming out earlier and earlier every year. In fact, I feel like at some point it's just going to be seasonal decor all year round. But I did go out to the stores, and I made a deal with myself that I didn't need anything this year. I'm thinking even for Christmas, I'm probably just gonna hold off and utilize the things that I already own. I did decide a few years ago that if I was gonna bring in something new, seasonal decor wise, then something old had to go. And I love everything I have right now, and so I'm just not really ready to part with anything. So I feel like I just don't need anything new. And honestly, all the things that are seasonal decor at the stores, it's the same things. It might have a different little embellishment or might be slightly different in color, but it really is the same faux pumpkins and the same little pumpkin jarred candles and, leaf plates and trays and things like that. So I felt like I just didn't need anything new this year. And I would much rather put my money towards buying decor that I can actually use all year round. In fact, fall is my favorite time of year to buy home decor, fall inspired home decor, not the seasonal things like the pumpkins. But I love the more muted, darker, rich fall colors. Those are the things that I like to decorate with in my home for actually all the seasons. I love the muted greens and rust and the dusty blues and the neutral browns and things like that. I love to bring those things into my home, and the designers and all the online stores, they bring out things that are very much fall inspired. And so this is the time of year that I like to buy home decor. So I do have a home decor haul. I hope to share that maybe next week, if not the week after. I'm just waiting on a few things to share with you all, but I will be buying those types of things. I'm just staying away from the actual, what I call seasonal decor. But I thought it would be fun to challenge myself to use the decor that I already own and maybe do it in a different way. And I thought, well, if I'm gonna be playing around with some of these styles and ideas, why not share it with all of you? And so I've put together 4 different looks for fall, and I will be using my entryway as a area to do the vignettes. Just know that I'm doing it there because it's contained and easier for me to film instead of having it spread all over the house and trying to decorate in a larger scale. And just know that anything that I'm decorating with, you can obviously, use it in your living room or in other parts of your home. And so I'm just so excited to share these styles with you. They're all very different. I have one that's very, very traditional. I have one that's more rustic. I have one that's kind of a transitional blend of the two. And then I have one that's very much just classic fall. So I'm so excited to share these styles with you. I hope you enjoy it, and I hope you find some inspiration for your upcoming fall decorating.
Gravel road, I've been asked to slow down. Fireplace, do you know how? Piles of paper, my desk is out. Who will care for the world out? Rest with me, close to curtains, brew some herbal tea. Reach out for me, take my hand and lead even when I disagree. Oh, how I love when it rains outside. I'll stay till dawn. Indiana rose, I couldn't see you on my way back home. There's beauty where you are. I wish I wouldn't have to go that far to see where you thrive. Hear your song in the sky. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Lost in the sight of you alone. Here I'll stay till dawn. The breeze in the sky sings me a song. Here I'll stay till dawn. Stay till dawn.
I can't tell you all how much fun I've had putting all of these different looks together, using some of my decor that I've thrifted over the years and just things that I've owned for quite some time and using them in a different way. It was really, really fun and really refreshing. I hope that you all found some inspiration for your upcoming fall decorating. And I hope you'll come back and join me next week. Like I said, I do have some new decor that I would love to share with you all. I'm just waiting for a few more pieces, so it'll either be that will be our video for next week, or I might start doing some transitional decorating here in our home just to kind of break away from the summer season and kind of slowly and gradually get us into the fall decorating season. And if you are new here and you haven't yet subscribed to our channel, we would love to have you as a part of our community. So please do click that subscribe button, and don't forget to click on the bell notification and do select all so that you won't miss any of our future content. I can't tell you all enough how much Corey and I just appreciate you all. Thank you for supporting us and what we do here on this channel. It just really does mean so much. Thank you again, and I hope you all have a beautiful week ahead. I'll see you very soon in the next one. Bye for now.